Hello everyone. Today I am Deepali here to present the Strategic Management UGL presentation week number 6. So I will be discussing the topic viable system and theory. So let's start and discuss what it is. What is a viable system? Viable system is basically a process or a theory in which it tells an organization how to survive in different situations. L- We can take it as an example like a human body, how it responds in different situations, see the problem, start processing it, and how it adapt accordingly. Likewise, we are discussing about an organization. An organization faces multiple reasons to shift the process, how to do the work in different situations. They have to adapt the process to change in some such circumstances in which they cannot bear themselves. So, viable system theory is a management theory developed by the Stafford Beer. It explains how an organization or a system remains viable. Viable means like to be consistent in different situations so that whenever dynamic situation comes and the environment changes, either it could be complex or a difficult one, the entity must remain independent and can sustain for a long time. Accordingly, for a system to survive and succeed over time, it must be able to self regulate, adapt to external changes within the environment, and maintain their internal stability. So, this was all about the viable system. Now I will be discussing about the what is viable system model, or we could say it's as a theory. It has 5 steps or 5 systems we could say. In this, viable systems handles day-to-day operations, manages like what we they have to do. It answers all the WH questions: what, why, when, how, each and everything. It ensures the coordination between the operational units and the functional units, focusing on the internal control and the resource optimization so that there should be effective utilization of resources and the efficient and the effective one. It always looks forward, scanning the environment and planning for the future so that if in case such a situation comes when the organization has to shift their plan, they can do so, they cannot hamper their processes. System 5 always explains the direction, the identity, and the policy. So, when all these systems are incorporated into one and balanced, the organization can effectively respond to the change, manage the complexities, and align with its goals. So, this was all about the viable system model and the viable system model theory. Thank you so much.